So today I got back all of my grades for the first semester of law school, and I'm fine, actually. I'm not overjoyed. I'm not really very proud of myself, but I did finish. I made no C's. I could have done worse. I think it's been humbling to do so much worse than I intended, but it has been a really good experience to know that I did everything I could, and these were the results.
You're right to be upset. The stakes were high. You put in maximum effort. Now the only measure of your effort says you weren't good enough. Listen, your 1L grades aren't about your best not being good enough. They're about your 1L expectation not reading the room. You can't perform what you were never taught, and what the law school never told you is that they don't teach 1Ls how to perform on the exam they measure you against. Sure, they call it law school, so you expected normal school stuff, right? Things like a teacher for guidance and feedback, a lecture for clear explanation, a textbook for support. What you expected made sense, but it's not at all how law schools work. Here's why. Teachers are accountable for their students' performance, which is why, before testing students, teachers will explain the content, model a correct answer, guide students through practice, and give feedback on mistakes. The universities that credential teachers call this scaffolding. But law school professors don't scaffold because they aren't accountable for your performance. Read the room. Their job is to report back which 1Ls master the final exam without much instruction or feedback at all. Teachers teach. Law school professors filter top talent for big law firms and powerful judges whose idea of a perfect hire is someone that doesn't need much explanation, modeling, guidance, or feedback. They've got corporate billables, high-pressure courtroom calendars, and rounds of golf. So training you, not high on their totem pole. The truth is, from day one of 1L, you were always your own teacher. You just didn't know it, and you're learning it the hard way. You want to fix your grades? Fix your expectation. Either learn to teach yourself how to dominate a 1L exam or hire me. So you're not walking into lecture with a law school professor, naively expecting a teacher. I'll make sure you walk into lecture and your 1L exam showing the professor you already know the law, how to apply it, and how it's going to be tested. That's a promise.